Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track face in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to open your project in Filmora. So you can simply go to the file, go to new project, and then can create a new one, or you can open your project. After that, you will be needing just to add your footage or your clips into the timeline. So in my case, I'm just going to add this video. So from here, you will be needing just to simply add face tracking or motion tracking into your video, and you can simply find it in the AI tools of the video. So when you click on any elements in Filmora, you will have like a property panel. So I'm just going to the stock video, and basically this is an image, and from here you will find like image properties, color properties, etc. And the same for the videos. So if you go to the video, you will find like a video properties, and from here you will find AI tools, etc. What we are interested in is the motion tracking. So make sure that you are in the AI tools and choose motion tracking. I'm going to enable it. Now you choose the face that you want to track. So for example, I want to track this one. So you will click on start motion tracking, and basically now you will have this result. So now you will have a motion tracking, and now it is bad since the video was moving. So you will need to have a video that will be like concentrating on one face. So here I'm just going to click on motion tracking again, and now it have created a better result. So basically, now that you have tracked the face, you can start creating links within uh, this motion tracking. So as you can see, you can like either find the link, and here you can start like for example adding your effects. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.